Module 7, Lesson 8, Multi-Touch Attribution. A subscriber saw your LinkedIn post, then opened 2 emails, then clicked an ad, then converted. Which touch gets the credit? That question decides where your budget goes next quarter, and attribution is the discipline of answering it honestly. Open reports and find the attribution section. An attribution model is a rule for splitting credit across touches. First touch gives everything to the touch that started the journey. It flatters discovery channels. Last touch gives everything to the touch before conversion. It flatters closing channels. Linear splits credit evenly across every touch, and time decay weights recent touches heavier. There is no correct model. Each answers a different question. With a model selected, the report breaks conversions down by channel. How much credit email earned versus social versus paid. Now switch the model and watch the same conversions redistribute. A channel that looks weak under last touch often looks strong under first touch because its job was starting journeys, not finishing them. Below the channels, the touch point view goes one level deeper. Which specific campaigns, posts, and forms actually appeared in converting journeys. This is where you find the workhorse content. The unglamorous nurture email that shows up in half your conversion paths but never wins a creative award. Protect those assets. They're doing the quiet work. The practical move. Pick one model as your house standard. Time decay is a defensible default, and judge channels by trend under that one model. Switching models to flatter a channel you like is the analytics version of grading your own homework. Consistency beats cleverness here. One report left in the module, ad spend, what the paid channels cost, what they return, and how to spot the channel quietly burning money. See you there.